Alright, welcome back. So here we're going to be learning basic material. So this is just a simple cup. So we can decide to add whatever color you choose here. It will appear on the cup. So you can see that the color is changing. So if you want your cup to have a glass to have this glassy look, you can increase this specular, and then the roughness. If you decrease this is going to have also a glass feeling. If you increase it, so let's make it 0.3. Let's leave it like that. Also, here when you want your object to have a light, to have a to give light or to emit light, you can see if I increase this to this place, and then you can see that the cup is glowing. So this is giving it light effect, but we don't need this. We might need it later, so I'm going to make it dark. Yes, so let's go back to our color. Now this is where you add materials, different texture, but there's more to this than just thinking. Now we're going to learn how to UV edit this. Now to do this, I'm going to add an image texture just the same way you add a material when you started. It's the same way we're going to do here. I'm going to press Shift A and then search for image texture. This is image texture. Then click on it, and then let me zoom it. Now press on new, press on UV, type UV, and then we're going to change the color, whatever color of cup we want to. Let me say, I want it to be a little bit a blue. Good. So maybe darker. Yes, I'm okay. And then leave this as blank. Click on OK. We'll learn more about the materials in other videos that will be coming up. So I'm going to drag this to the base color. Now you can see my color has changed. Good. So you can see that my cup has changed color based on this. Now one thing we're going to learn is how to add different colors and then how to make it properly. This is a 3D, so we want to add a texture on this. What I can do is to go to UV editing. Okay, I've done this before. Your cup is not going to appear here is because I've done something before here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select all this. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is my 3D view. I'm going to select the this edge loop. So I'm going to select it like this. So it's dividing the cup into half. Then press U and then mark seam. I'll do the same thing to the center here. Then place 7. Then U mark seam. Mark it. I'm going to do the same thing here with the inner loop. I'm going to mark seam, U mark seam. You're going to see the beauty of this. later on. Now I'm going to the inner circle here. I'm going to select no. Then you Maxine. I think I'll leave it like this. Then I can go to this option here and then live unwrap. And I'll select here and then UV editor. Then U, then unwrap. If I press A here, everything is selected. This is what I'm going to have. Now press Ctrl L to highlight this. Okay. I think I still need to do this here. I'm going to select this edge loop. Good, and then U Maxine. I also select this entire loop. Then U Maxine. So let's see how it goes. UV unwrap, then press A. Good, you can, I think I'm good with this. I'm okay with this. So I'll start by rearranging this. Ctrl L, then move this here so that I'll have space. Ctrl L to select everything, then move it. So I'm trying to rearrange it this way, so they are not close to each other. Ctrl L, then move it. I think I can rotate this. I just want to create space. Ctrl L, move it this way. Good. Now you're going to see the importance of what I'm going to do in this place. I want to paint this cup so that it has two colors. So I'm going to go to texture paint here. Now you can see this cup.